It all starts with an idea, but you never know where the idea may end up. Ideas take flight and spread. They can change, they can grow, and connect us. And sometimes, things aren't always what they seem. In this fast-moving world, good news can move at the speed of light. So here at your school, we keep you informed. Welcome to the Mullica Morning Howl.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today's a high of 79 and a low of 57, and it's sunny. Here's a spring fact. Did you know the first flowers to bloom are typically lilacs? See you guys tomorrow, and happy National May Day.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Tuesday, May 1st, 2018. Here are your morning announcements.
8th graders, be sure to check the yearbook Google Classroom for some announcements this week.
Track practice after school today. All athletes who have turned in their permission slip and have a valid physical are to meet at the blacktop after the 3:35 late bus bell.
Chorus students, a reminder that we will meet every Tuesday and Thursday until our concert at the end of May. See you Thursday.
Junior band meets today at 1:35. Senior band meets today after school. Jazz band meets tomorrow at 10:55.
Band members, please turn in your concert and trip sign permission slips. Reminder, senior band members, please turn in your t-shirt money. Soft pretzels will be on sale tomorrow in the band room.
The Positively Powerful Girls Club will meet this Thursday in room 24 with Miss Calabrese. Hope to see you there.
There will be a brief Play Unified meeting tomorrow afternoon in room 46 with Miss Renfrey at 2:30 for all Play Unified ambassadors who are of 12 years of age or older.
There will be a Howl meeting this Thursday with Mr. Smith. Please check Google Classroom for important updates.
That's all we have for you today, Coyotes. Enjoy your day.
Wait, where'd they go?